Hello guys. So ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano ayos ng ng Lourdes. So una, punta ka dito sa taas. Kunin yung corona, baba mo dito. Tapos kunin mo naman ito. Tapos dito. Tapos kunin mo naman ito dito na sa corona. At lagay mo dito. So, ito na yung mga rosaryo. Kunin mo lahat. Tapos ikot tayo. Lagay natin dito. Malagay tayo ng electric fan. Okay, nalagyan ko na ng electric fan pero hindi nakasaksak. So, kailangan natin ng air. So, yan umandar na. Wala kang makita na sino naka-andar. Okay. So, punasin mo shop. Pero napunis ko na ito nung kahapon. Kaya, hindi ko na siya pupunasan. Yung buong katawan niya hanggang paa, hanggang likod. Hanggang likod ko to. Hagis ko doon. Wee! So, ito yung corona niya, putol. Pero okay lang yun. So, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano magbihis ulit ng Santa. So, first, gawin mo to. Hindi ko to mabibideo kasi mahirap to. So, wait lang. Okay, so we put it. Oh, I didn't put it. It's right over here. And, ew, kumamot. Let's clean it up. Okay, cleaning it up. Ako. Ew, there's more kumangot. Let's clean it up. Yeah. We need to clean this up. Now clean it up. I didn't put it yet, so I ain't gonna put it now. So, guys, yuck. And now it's time to brush it. Wait, may kulangot? Hello, the next loot. Wait, guys. Now the crown. The crown is later. So, okay. Ouch! Ouch! What the sigma? Wait, guys, I'm gonna obviously just watch. Yeah. Let's go back to the mirror. Ouch! Ow! Yaka. Bye! And now the
Nalaglag.
yung ba't nung ng cellphone? Ay, nalaglag. Ay, nabasa. Tatapon ko lang nga to. It's lighting in a shine to do. And now let's do it in the hair. That's a wow. I hate this guy. Oh, okay, that's good. And let's put it together again. She's right over here. There. And she is right over here. Good. She falls every day. So let's go down and something fun. There's no light. So it's not okay. I'm chunky. It's good now, guys. Baliktad pala ito, kalabang. So, it's good, guys. So, I need to poop. Okay, I just pooped now. And let's see the smell. Oh, I lost the Mary. So, yeah, guys. Kalabaw.